Gas cars are still king for a reason: convenience. Need fuel? Gas stations are everywhere, and you're back on the road in 5 minutes. That freedom is huge for road trips or unpredictable schedules. The variety is unmatched. Trucks, SUVs, sports cars, you name it. If you need to tow, haul, or want a cheap commuter, gas cars have you covered. Upfront cost is lower too, great for families on a budget. For many, the immediate savings and flexibility outweigh long-term EV benefits. Gas cars are familiar, proven, and fit almost any need. That's why they're still so popular. The choice is about what works best for your life right now. What's it like behind the wheel? Electric and gas cars feel worlds apart. EVs are silent, no engine noise, just peace and quiet. Step on the accelerator and you get instant power, no waiting, just smooth, quick acceleration. It's like driving a silent rocket ship, effortless and modern. Gas cars, though, are all about sensation. The engine's roar, the vibration, the feel of shifting gears, it's a mechanical symphony. For enthusiasts, that connection is everything. Gas cars feel alive, engaging you with every sound and shift. EVs offer serene, futuristic efficiency. Gas cars deliver raw, mechanical excitement. It comes down to what you want: quiet speed or classic engagement. Both are fun in their own way. The choice is yours. EVs aren't just about how they move, they're packed with tech. Most have giant touchscreens controlling everything from music to climate. Over-the-air updates mean your car can get new features while parked. Driver assist systems like adaptive cruise and lane keeping are common. Cameras and sensors make driving safer and easier. Cars are becoming rolling computers and EVs lead the way. Not everyone loves all the screens. Some miss simple buttons. There's a learning curve, but this is where the industry is headed. The future is digital, and EVs are at the forefront. Get ready for a smarter drive. EVs are great, but there are real challenges. Range anxiety is real. Will you make it to the next charger? Most new EVs go 300+ miles, but long trips need planning. Charging isn't as fast or widespread as gas stations. Public chargers can be busy or slow. No home charger. It's trickier if you live in an apartment. Batteries are expensive to replace, though warranties are long and reliability is improving. Cold weather can cut your range by 20% or more. Automakers are working on solutions, but it's something to consider. EVs aren't perfect yet, especially for everyone, everywhere. Know the hurdles before you buy. Despite the hurdles, EV progress is rapid. Battery tech is improving, ranges are up, costs are down, charging networks are expanding fast with more stations at stores and workplaces. The goal: make charging as easy as filling up with gas. EV variety is exploding. SUVs, trucks, family cars, all electric. Automakers are investing big, and choices are better than ever. The arguments against EVs are fading as tech advances. We're in a massive transition, like moving from horses to cars. The electric car isn't a fad, it's the future. Change is happening fast. Get ready. So, electric or gas? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best car depends on your life, commute, charging options, driving style. If you drive mostly in town and can charge at home, EVs make sense: quiet, cheap to run, and clean. For rural drivers, heavy towing, or spontaneous road trips, gas cars still have the edge. Love the sound and feel of an engine? Gas is for you. Love tech and efficiency? Go electric. The good news: there are more choices than ever. Competition is making both better. Test drive both, do your homework, and pick what fits your life. The joy of driving is here to stay, no matter what powers your ride. Of course, there are challenges. Charging takes longer than filling up with gas, especially on road trips. Range anxiety, the fear of running out of battery, was a real concern in early EVs. Batteries are expensive, and over time, they lose some capacity. Not everyone can charge at home, especially apartment dwellers. Public charging stations are growing, but we need more, at workplaces, malls, and highways. Building this infrastructure takes time and investment. These hurdles are real, but they're not insurmountable. Every new technology faces bumps in the road. The important thing is that we're moving forward. The electric highway is under construction, and it's getting smoother every day. Let's keep pushing ahead. The good news? We're solving these problems fast. Battery technology is improving. Today's EVs go much farther on a single charge than ever before. Many new models can travel 300 miles or more, easing range anxiety. Fast chargers are popping up everywhere, adding hundreds of miles in just 20-30 minutes. Long road trips are getting easier. Battery costs are dropping, and new designs like solid-state batteries promise even more range and safety. Recycling old batteries is getting better, lowering costs and helping the environment. Charging networks are expanding rapidly. Innovation is happening on all fronts: batteries, charging, and recycling. The electric car revolution is accelerating. Every improvement brings us closer to a world where EVs are the easy choice. The future is bright, and it's electric. We're just getting started. So, what's next? The future is electric. Every major car company is investing in EVs, cars, trucks, SUVs for every need and budget. This shift will transform our cities: quieter streets, cleaner air, healthier lives. More solar panels and wind turbines will power our homes and cars. Electric cars are part of a bigger push for a sustainable future. Cars will get smarter, talking to each other, finding parking, even driving themselves. The line between driving, working, and relaxing will blur. The car becomes a helpful partner in daily life. We'll always love classic cars, but now we're making new history. EVs offer new performance, technology, and responsibility. It's a chance to reinvent the automobile for a new century. The possibilities are endless. The journey is just beginning. The move to electric cars is one of the most positive changes of our time. It's not just about adopting new technology, it's about reimagining how we live, travel, and care for our planet. Every time someone chooses an electric vehicle, they're making a statement about the kind of world they want to leave for future generations. It's about cleaner air, quieter cities, and a sustainable future. Imagine cities where the air is fresher, where the hum of traffic is replaced by peaceful silence, and where parks and neighborhoods are healthier for everyone. For drivers, the benefits are real: saving money, less maintenance, and a fun driving experience. Electric cars are not only efficient, but they also offer a sense of pride and excitement every time you get behind the wheel. Instant acceleration puts a smile on your face. The smooth, quiet ride is something you have to feel to believe, and it makes every journey more enjoyable. You get personal benefits while helping the world. Every mile you drive electric, you're reducing emissions and making a positive impact on the environment. Yes, there are challenges: more chargers, better batteries, but we're solving them. Every day, new charging stations are popping up, and battery technology is improving, making electric cars more accessible than ever. Human ingenuity is driving progress every day. Engineers, scientists, and innovators are working together to make electric vehicles smarter, safer, and more affordable for everyone. The transition won't happen overnight, but it's happening. More and more people are making the switch, and each new electric car on the road brings us closer to a cleaner tomorrow. Every new EV on the road is a step toward a cleaner, better future. It's a sign that we're moving forward, together, toward a world we can all be proud of. When you see an electric car glide by, you're looking at progress and hope. It's a glimpse of what's possible when we choose innovation and responsibility. This is the future of how we move. A future that's cleaner, smarter, and more connected than ever before. I'm excited to be part of it, and I hope you are too. Together we can drive change and inspire others to join us on this journey. Thanks for taking this ride with me. Keep on driving, and let's keep building a brighter future, 1 mile at a time.